Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I wanted to show you a grocery haul in the spirit of just simplifying things for myself. As you can see, I'm in a completely different place. If you didn't know, we made it back to Pennsylvania. We moved from Colorado to Pennsylvania, so the stores are completely different here. We do have a Walmart though, so that's what I'll be showing you today. I have a Walmart haul, and I wanted to give you some easy, the kids are playing in a tree, easy, inexpensive meal ideas for the week. So if you like that kind of content, I'm going to be doing a lot more of it because I feel like I can be feeding the kids a little bit better where we are in the world. I just feel like I have access to better, cleaner food in my opinion. So I'm excited to show you. If you're new here, would love it if you hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let me show you this haul. Had to pull over the grocery haul voiceover. I know it's been a while, but it was loud. Family doesn't understand, you know, like what I do for a job and all that. So this is what's going on. Blueberries, organic. They were pretty inexpensive. We have whole carrots. Stop buying baby carrots. They're not real. Get some organic whole carrots. They're cheaper. Get some organic cucumbers and absolutely some green onions. It adds a ton of flavor. We have some thin sliced Dave's Killer Bread. That's all I could find unless I'm making my own. I have some organic blackberries and some organic tomatoes. A lot of the gardens here in PA, they're done with their maters for the moment. We have pure Irish Kerrygold butter and some sour cream. We have ricotta cheese. I want to make some sort of pasta dish. I didn't want to get the lasagna noodles. I couldn't find any unenriched lasagna noodles. And then I found the Michelangelo's pasta sauce. It did not have any oils in it, which was really awesome. I have some organic white quinoa for a meal coming up, as well as some mild taco seasoning blend. Better Goods is a new to me brand. Let me know if you buy from them. And then this basmati rice was the only unenriched basmati rice, so that's what we're doing. We have Colby and Monterey Jack cheese sticks. The ounce was cheaper than getting the block. And then organic sharp cheddar cheese until I get to the raw dairy. Of course, a staple, the Annie's organic macaroni and cheese. It's like Kraft macaroni. I'm sure you know what Annie's is. I don't know why I'm explaining. Cookies for my husband. And then we have stew meat. So we're just going to make some beef stew for a family member that loves it. And then I was surprised to see this. So the grass-fed organic ground beef was, you know, under $7. It does not say grass finished, so I'm not sure. Maybe it does on the bottom there, but let me know your thoughts on that if you buy it. And then the Better Goods was the unenriched pasta, so it was a little over $1, maybe over $2, but worth it in my opinion. We have organic bananas and then the organic 18 count eggs. I did find some soy-free eggs here at the local store, but I just grabbed this for now. And then we have a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, although my mom did give me a ton from her garden, so that's okay. Let's get into more of a meal plan. I'm excited to show you this. I know this is jumbled, but we're working with what we got. Why is enjoying the trees here in Pennsylvania? What do you think? We did find a lanternfly though. That's new to us. Don't have those in Colorado yet. So, whew, it's a good time. It's a beautiful tree. And we are just loving all these places to run around in, huh? Huh, Mills? Alrighty, let's do this. If you're new to me, my meal plans are very budget friendly, very cheap. I try and keep it clean, try and keep it healthy, and I do it in a variety of ways. So prepare to screenshot or take a picture of the screen. Breakfast, egg in a hole. It is toast with an egg in the middle of it. You just cut a hole in it, and it's fun and exciting for the kids, and it's delicious. And then the next is going to be gravy and toast, and it could be sausage gravy. It could be just a brown slurry that you make with beans, but you make it flavorful and you serve it with an egg. We're also doing potato and beef burritos with some green chili sauce. That is super delicious and a hit in my family. Lunch, grilled cheese and soup. That's a staple. Leftovers, of course, spud salad, potato salad, and like sandwiches or something. And then my favorite fall, meal side dish, I don't know, is quinoa feta with squash. So I just do butternut squash, a little bit of feta, sometimes some cranberries and pumpkin seeds, and pair it with an Italian sauce, dressing, whatever you want to call it. Rapid fire dinner. We're doing burrito bowls with that beef and some beans and all of the fixings. We're doing a lasagna bake, and then we're also doing beef stew and then squash soup and sandwiches. Again, if you're new, I like to take my meals and make them in the beginning of the week and then use the leftovers to make a leftover makeover. So if you're curious about any of these recipes, just leave a comment and I will type it out to you. I don't have any hidden recipes or anything like that. I don't have a recipe really to take you to, no websites or anything. I will just do my best to type it out to you. And then you're probably tired of hearing this, but if you are new, I always like to add some sort of recipe in these types of videos. So let me know what you want to see in the future. I'm going to let this next recipe play out. It is a easy weeknight budget-friendly recipe that is a staple in my family. And now moving on to this butternut squash tortellini. This is delicious. I urge you to try this recipe. Here is what you're going to need. So this is minimal ingredients as well. Some of the ingredients are a little different, so stick with me, but you're gonna need a box of cheese tortellini. We like the Kite Hill, but use whatever you want. You're going to need some butternut squash soup. You can serve with sausage if you'd like. A little bit of diced onions as well as green chilies. Now I know that seems a little different, but the sweet and spice together just gives it this really wonderful flavor. So start out by putting some onions and your diced green chilies into a hot pan. I'm just going to use some veggie stock to saute everything together. And then I'm going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on here. And this could be a time if you wanted to add the sausage. And once that comes to a boil, go ahead and add half of your soup. Stir that all together, bring it up to another simmer, and then you are going to add your tortellini. Now these cook fast, I'm warning you, so give it about 5 minutes with the lid on top, and then you are good to go. I served mine with some fresh sage and fresh parsley, and it was just absolutely delicious. You could sprinkle on some sharp cheddar cheese on here, and I think that would give it a really beautiful flavor. But this was probably my favorite meal of the week. It was super delicious and just different with the flavors, so I urge you to try this one as well. 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need. Okay, that sweet potato was bad and I still want to starch, so I'm gonna do some corn. We're doing tomato
yummy.
Sauce.
Mom, it's yummy.
Yep. We're doing black beans. We're gonna do chili beans. We're gonna do some diced rotel, and we're gonna do some quinoa, but all of this needs to be rinsed, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I'm just gonna put it all in my strainer here and rinse it, and then we will put it in the crock pot.
You found your peace no matter where you are. You will find happiness somewhere. You will make it back out there. Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever want to start all over again? You find happiness out there. You
finished product, our dinner. I just melted some cheese on there, but the chili looks amazing. I ended up adding about a cup more water into this. I will leave the recipe down in the description box, but super delicious. I cut the kids' pierogies up. I'm serving mine with sour cream and just in a bowl like this, and then my husband will have his, but super delicious. I just oven baked my pierogies and flipped them halfway. We had a casualty, that is why the fan is on, but we can eat around that. So this is just the Mrs. T's pierogies. They're super easy. I put some olive oil on the pan, salt and pepper, and they puff up like this, and they're super delicious. Or you could saute them with bell pepper and onion, equally good. So we are going to eat this, and I'm going to clean up this house. Alrighty everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in to see this haul, and let me know what you want to see. I will be picking up the camera randomly whenever I can to show you some beauty of Pennsylvania, as well as some fun meals and maybe some more vlog style content. So if you like that kind of thing, definitely hit the subscribe button. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye y'all.